So here at the Earl Lawson Early Education Center, we have designed the entire building and all of the materials in it with all of our students in mind. We use creative curriculum, which is a curriculum that is all play-based and student-centered and student-focused.
The design and education teams from Kodo and Teaching Strategies have collaborated to bring you 16 remarkable learning tools in one kit. This core classroom collection is perfect for play-based programs, Teaching Strategies Gold users, and creative curriculum classrooms.
With our studies, we have several different studies in kindergarten, from grocery store to balls and tunnels in some of our earlier classes. And the Kodo products have worked amazing in those studies.
The Kodo kit for Teaching Strategies includes printable alignments to creative curriculum studies, interest areas, and objectives for learning, printable shelf tags, and printable kickoff cards with ideas for introducing the materials, and a 30-minute virtual training course.
We've also seen some of our speech and language development kids grow at a faster rate than in the past because of those rich conversations.
The Kodo kit for Teaching Strategies flexible learning materials support teachers to meet children where they're at and challenge them to go further.